Hello, King Candy. Say good morning, everybody. I'm outside. I'm enjoying the outside. Yes, I am. Without my harness. That's amazing. Yes, it is. You hear the birdies? You hear the birdies? Yeah. What a good boy. What a good boy. I know. Aw, you shaking the booty. You shaking the booty. I saw that. I saw that. Don't you clean my lovings off. Boop. What, birdie bird? What? What's the matter? Huh? You like your new perch? You're not scared of it, huh? You're not scared of the perch? No, you're not. You're not scared of the perch. No, you're not. I know. You're outside, and it's hot. Yeah, but you like it. You like it. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Mornings just got better. Mornings just got better. Birdie bird, birdie bird, birdie bird. Oh, what is that? It's a plane. I know, it's okay. Oh, that's a loud plane. Woo! What? You move it.